bedla yodwa bakithi nenkonyane. Nawe bazokwenza nje mawulala namadoda abantu. Uzoba i-single mom. A few inches later.
Yo, guys, if Anhleki, I'm going to cry on behalf of Uthando because no one is above. But no one is above the law. No one is above the program. Yes. Sana amadoda, ama-DO. But anyways, Uthando, did she not know? Did she not understand the game that ubaba wengane yokuqala vele ke into zakhona ubaba wengane yokuqala is going to leave you uyashiyana. Now, I am so stressed on Thando's behalf because what about their land? Because ndiyakhumbula the last time, sometime last year, bebesakha bebeseqala ukwakha umuzi and they were expecting, Uthando was like, hey, mina ngashada ngaba nengane ngileli nomuntu oyedwa, uya understand. And he's going to be my husband this, my husband that. Yo, promise ndakubetha ama-DO. Now, xa ndenza research yam ke sana as a noisy blogger, ndiyabona into yoba ulasin kaThando nendoda yakhe, i-DO yakhe, lamachamba, they were last seen together in March. Yes, that seems to be the last time that things were going well. It might be that even prior to March, already things were falling apart, but ke uyayazi ke into nizame ukuyenzela social media because they are monetized on Facebook as well as YouTube. So obviously they would even go as far as pushing because kaloku ngoku kunomntana okhona. So as I was saying, I really feel sorry for Uthando because engqondweni yakhe ebesene future nalo mntu engqondweni yakhe bayakha. I'm just feeling really sorry for Uthando because I also do to a certain extent feel like Uthando ingathi ebekhupha imali zakhe ze content creation itheni ingathi nje ebezipha lo mfana lona. Why do I have that feeling indoba Uthando has lost a lot kulo mtshato umbumbulu wakhe? Okay, they were married according to what they were telling us, okay? But Uthando is now on Facebook and uthi uyababona different people have come forward bayamhleka uthi let it be from me ndicela ukuthetha ndishare my side of the story. Nanku ke apho ke apostileyo uthi I am a proud single mom right now, mother of one beautiful daughter. I'm so glad that I am where I am right now because of my choice, and I did not cheat on or something. You all get it right. Right? If so, that's wonderful. Okay, and I understand the last part. Uphinde ke wabuya ke wathi yazi kunomehluko phakathi komuntu okhethe ukushiya indoda nomuntu okay niboqale nibuzisise istory. I left. Okay, I have my personal reasons, guys. I cannot share everything on social media. But the time ke mother of one were also living to Uthando. It was never about them being right or wrong. She just thought that they are being left because they were unworthy. But yena, today, because this is happening to her, she is coming out nama explanations, uza nama stories amaningi. So a lot of people are not feeling sorry for her at all. In fact, iwani into abayenzayo is to remind her of her days. Apho ke udada womntana wayekhona. Mandithathe a few comments, guys. Kukhona oyiwani ke othi awusakhulumi so uyacula usuBrenda Fassie. Basically Uthando kade wagcina ke ukuba nama segments akhe ku TikTok and on Facebook useyalingisa abantu. Sorry guys, I just had to laugh. So kuthiwa Uthando ngoku seyalingisa abaculo seyadansa. That's her newfound love, singing and also dancing. So khona ke omnye othi abafana abamfuni umuntu onengane Thando. And the last video ke guys ekhona ku TikTok wakhe, she is praising God and uhleli nengane yakhe. There it's just the two of them. And khona ke omnye othi ngiwazi unjalo ke umgowo uvele ubone ngathi uNkulunkulu uzokubusisa kakhulu. Lo buke yena amenze iphara. Okay guys, i-comment yokugcina ngci unjalo umgowo ungazithola usushumayela ezitimeleni indlela okusondeza ngayo ku God. So, guys, Uthando did say that she will go live sometime this week. Achaze iside lakhe, but also she did say that agafuni people that are going ugumjaha. She's going to take her time, and when she feels like speaking out, she will officially speak out. But I 100% feel like Uthando uye wavuka emaqandeni. Uthando was being used for imali zakhe as a content by lo mfana lona, but I stand to be corrected. What are your thoughts on this story, guys? Please must engage anene down on the comments. Another story I wanted to touch base on is umshado we country. I'm sure most yenu nizokhumbula ke last month ke ubhuti no mama, they trended a lot after umkhwenyana wakhe ebonakala uba he is beyond satisfied with a choice yakhe. He is beyond happy for choosing umakoti wakwakhe. As a result, the entire of South Africa was like, we love you so much and we would appreciate throwing you yet another wedding. Nabo ke South Africa has done it again. Nanko ke umchato wabo aba wenzelwe ngama South Africans. Now, of course, a lot of people are not happy with the second wedding because they feel like he is now overdoing it and it is boring. Ngoba useyas overdo a lot of things. Usepapa kakhulu. He's going overboard just because abantu babethe bayayithanda indlela awayeyona, and you can just see that he's now adding some spices to get ama dance moves akhe, even the way agisa ngakhona his wife the cake. A lot of people on social media are like, now it is no longer funny because what he's doing, he's acting like a grown-up toddler, not even a child, a smallanyana toddler. Because what do you mean umfazi wakho uzomdlisa kanjeyana ikeke just because you want people to say you are funny and ukhululekile? So after abantu bethe justice for makoti, there is one person who came forward to explain behavior kapoti athi ke usisi uNick uthi he is not drunk. I studied human behavior. He is socially intoxicated. Okay, this means that a natural high from adrenaline and being around people, it makes you feel giggly, clumsy, and hyper without drinking a single drop of alcohol. Another explanation, he is giddy, getting so happy and excited that you start acting completely silly. Euphoric, when a shy person finally feels safe, their brain floods with dopamine. This causes a sudden massive explosion of energy. Khona ke abantu abathi wake watshelwa ukuthi he will never amount to anything in life, so that is why he acts the way I act ngakhona. But yeah, guys, what are your thoughts on these two stories ke engiqeda ukunishirela zona? Please do let me know down on the comments and ngizonibona shortly. Bye guys.